Watch the step-by-step guide that takes you through our stages of adoption. Our adoption process takes 6 months, 2 months for stage 1 and 4 months for stage 2. The first step of your adoption journey begins by getting in touch with our friendly team where we can have an informal chat about adoption. During our first conversation, we will take some of the basic details from you and invite you to one of our adoption information events or arrange to meet you privately. Our first meeting will give you the opportunity to ask questions you have in an open-minded environment. Here you can talk to us about your hopes and expectations of adoption. It's important that we give you all the information you need before you commit to adoption. If you are eligible and decide to go ahead, you can officially start your journey to becoming an adoptive parent. During this period, you will be asked to complete our learning and reading guides, and you'll need to attend preparation training with the support of our experienced adoption team. Your social worker will carry out inquiries that include a medical, a police check, a health and safety assessment of your home. During the assessment stage, you will have regular meetings with your social worker who will prepare a report about your circumstances. The report will include recommendations on your suitability to adopt, with further advice on the appropriate age range and the number of children for your family. This report will be presented to the adoption panel for a recommendation on whether you are suitable to adopt. You will have the opportunity to meet the panel. It's not mandatory to attend them, but most adopters do. The final decision on your suitability to become an adopter lies with the agency decision maker, who is an experienced senior manager in Sheffield Children's Services. You don't normally meet them, but to help them make their decision, they read your assessment report and the recommendations of the adoption panel. This will take 10 days. Once approved, we will then find children that would make a good match with you and your family. We have 25 children waiting to be adopted. Can you make a young life a happier life?